Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll compare two SEO tools which can make or break your content strategy. And today we'll compare the two big ones. They are the AnswerThePublic and Ubersuggest. So which one gives you better keyword insights and which one you should choose? Let's find out. Starting from AnswerThePublic, it is a powerful tool that generates research queries based on what people are actually searching for. It visualizes questions, prepositions, comparisons, and making it perfect for blog topics, FAQs, and long-tail keywords. If you're stuck on content ideas, this tool is definitely a game changer for you. Moving on to the next one, Ubersuggest. It is a tool not only helps with the keywords research, but it also provides SEO difficulty scores, backlink data, and site audits. So if you want a more in-depth analysis for higher ranking on Google, Ubersuggest is a better choice. So if you ask me which one you should choose, and I'll just simply say if you're focused on content brainstorming, finding unique search queries, AnswerThePublic is the winner. But if you need a full SEO strategy with keyword competition, backlink tracking, and site audits, Ubersuggest is the way to go. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you.